My name is Christian Bernardo Status Wandy. I am a division, groomed and formed to fit myself to the aperture of opportunities that the contending world to offer in my blood streams flows the immensity of hope, neither to falter nor to feel bitter every time I edge against all odds. My heart beats to embrace the sanctity of being lovable and being concerned for others. My mind is willing to crush whatever impending doom of disillusionment that may hamper the full stability of my sanity. And I believe that these unrequited embedded beliefs are the building blocks to the pinnacle of success. I know the road I trudge is long, winding and more likely tiresome, but my hope of strength plus God's divine provision shall be the antidote against the wearisome windmills of my mind. Even tremendous spell of temptation may collude with pride and jealousy. They will just remain a dust of vain under the rugs of oblivion, because deep inside, the gain knowledge fastened in my mind and the implanted passion in my heart shall thunder and rumble with glee, because in the near end, I, in a race for better tomorrow, shall be the first to touch the finish line of triumph. 12 people may be contesting each other in building fortunes. Their inherited wealth is vast, but they are hard to imagine. But for myself, in the simplicity and in the smithy of my soul of for courage and unbent knee in pursuit for a just and fair vocation, I may reckon on a one step to my almighty Creator, because everything under the heat of the sun, nothing remains sublime until He unleashes His divine intervention. If the little brown man Carlos P. Romulo against his huge Caucasian rivals rose into greatness as the U.S. Secretariat, and young David put to end the bragging Goliath, then there is no reason why a true-blooded division like me cannot master myself to stand tall, with heads up and jostle in pace or ahead maybe, with other notable and prestigious academic institutions around. I am a division trained by my conscientious mentors to be one of the best in many ways. I should bloom in where I grow, and shine not for destruction of others, but to be a pathfinder for new beginnings, whereby welfare, protection, and fulfillment of my ambition will be the main core of my unwavering commitment to move forward as an agent of understanding. As others may think, my past resources can be considered inferior because I am just a child of a small-time farmer, a common laborer, or a self-supporting individual, but before the eyes of man and God, and with the power of the fine thread of unshaken belt in morality that is a legacy from my loving parents, I shall prove that all of this can be the springboard of superiority that can catapult my self-greatness through my sterling planning and state-of-the-art application of what the good nature entrusted to me. Be goodbye my noble intentions to break out from the noisy condemnation. I shall curb my witchcraft and shape my course of action with these flows. My vision for the future is neither skimpy nor dull. The spirit of willingness will feather to death all the hindrances and delivers me away from misery as a journey to the fountain of my destiny. That is the very goal of my success. My determination shall wash away the threatening gaps, and my unwavering infinity of faith in God shall rekindle my passion for the best, and will flatten the humps and mountains of rigors in life. Common, I exhort the patient to let no circumstance steer away our dream destiny. Shine with glory as we march ourselves to the passion of sublime interest. Leaders of good and neglect the aroma of sweet temptation to derailment. Remember, in every little step of sacrifice is a tremendous downpour of success. A quitter never wins, and pain is the megaphone to a monumental gain. Be truthful in your deeds while others are flaunting. Strive in profuse of sweat and blood. What lies ahead is the opportunity for you to have your long reward, so that in the end we will say to ourselves and others, up in a distance we see the shimmering light of success. Surely our only God's mercy and unfailing love shall follow us all the days of our lives, and throughout the length of our days, the house of success shall be our dwelling place. Thank you.